Pidam tang pai pani pai thongke parni KSA Hamran District Committee lapen Tengkera langso aru atung chelangsi lakhai si Dwaramla constituency Chimthong block ke parlo Tengkera langso Hansiarong LP school lapen Amri block ke parlo Langtara phere LP school Humni school along kahumri pedodam
Karbilo Charlia song pen kahumri tamahut Hansiarong LP school loke Charlia klim somartum penangan akisung thepik Jesemet loke Charlia klim somartum akisung naike lothan bang karbi lothan bang kavedera jok methang karbi alo bangke porhi thek thepi nasonsi kahumri damhut thek damlong karbi alo than bang kavedera jok english alam thesita kachini sung pikputa loke Charlia klim somar nangche thandun lasi prabjin pen karbi lothan bang nang toiserak nangji pusi Hansiarong LP school loke Charlia klim somartum non kechari bom Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Rong Hanglapen Education Department EM Richard Tobia Phan loke Charlia klim somartum chuningri tadu
Hansiarong LP school long Karbi asara bedana asap loke Charlia tasik sakcharo lasi prabjin pen Karbi asara nang tayanji
halapu Amri block ke parlo Langtara phere LP school along setami sonthotsi isiveta kisunglo Langtara phere LP school ahem kinang sot akaching thur pinyani anta longtun delang right to education ekating pen non puanta kangthir at alang ki jun longjawar sai pinyani anta loke Charlia klim somartum school ahem lang ki jun jiawar sai avilang kachathang plong scheme jal jivan mission scheme longtun chit seta pinyani anta patang pi pedera jok loke Charlia klim somartum lang ki jun jiawar sai longlede lapen loke Charlia klim somartum barpi barso ke do hem ke mesenavi Tengkera langso Hansiarong LP school lapen Langtara phere LP school chotkanisi West Karbi Anglong ke omrong government LP school an ke Karbi lothan bang kalidetsi ke ong la CKSA Hamran District Committee lapen KSA Tengkera langso branch hin pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Rong Hanglapen Education Department EM Richard Tobia alang lituma phan kachuning rike government LP school ke do an Karbi language teacher ki pilap nang ji pusi KSA asong pen ke hang pedo News Desk report Karbi Anglong Live